welcome back to the Xage Policy Manager. Today we'll be discussing policies, the different types of policies, how to create and remove policies, and what the different policies mean. To start with, you'll see we have a bunch of pre-configured policies in our demo environment. To create a policy, we simply click on the Create Policy button. We enter a name, a description, and then we have an option of choosing a policy type. There are three primary policy types. That's a user-to-device policy, a device-to-device policy, and what's called a network resource. User-to-device policies are defined by selecting a user group and then selecting the device group that we would like to give those users access to. We can select multiple device groups. Additionally, we can also create a device-to-device policy. This allows us to do things like have a ROC 800 speak directly to a Raspberry Pi. In doing so, we also allow for the enabling of data integrity and privacy, and we go over that in another video. Lastly, we have the ability to create what's called a network resource. A network resource is a policy that defines an identity by its IP address. In doing so, we're allowed to essentially whitelist communication from that IP address to one or more device groups. Communications are one way only, so if we create a network resource, we have to select the device group that it's going to talk to, and the direction of traffic, either inbound or outbound. If you wish to have communications both directions, you'll need to create an individual policy for each direction. Lastly, to delete a policy, we simply look at the policy we wish to remove. In this instance, it'll be the ROC to Pi. We select the bubbles next to the device, and we can delete the device policy directly.